You've got more important things to do than second guess a part number. Take the guesswork out of purchasing the right parts by using the CAT Central app. By scanning your equipment's QR code, CAT Central instantly displays factory fit part results tailored to your equipment. Quickly view local availability and pricing. You can also choose from flexible shipping and pickup options. Trying to find parts from a previous order? Reference your order history to quickly reorder parts, or leverage the Buy Again feature on the homepage. Not ready to buy yet? No problem. Save your favorite parts or submit a quote to a local dealer and lock in pricing for a future order. Need a second opinion? CAT Central gives you the opportunity to share your shopping cart with those in your organization while on the go. Take the guesswork out of part purchases with the CAT Central app. An easier path to the precise part.